Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a Jetta Mk6 2011 model. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace the emergency light switch right here, the four-way switch. Unfortunately guys, you will have to remove all that plastic piece. Stay with us, we're gonna show you why. If you're really lucky, you might try not to remove it and pry the button out, but you might break it. If it's an old one not working, it's fine, but if you're just removing it for something else, you'll probably break it. So we'll show you now how to do it. Stay with us. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull anything that we have there. If you grab with your fingers right here, you can pry it a little bit, and if you get a prying tool, okay, you can just help it a little bit. Just be careful, a little bit at a time, don't go too much, because if you go too much you might crack it. It's very fragile there. Okay, and it's gonna come with the whole part right here. So there is a couple clips on this side, just the same way like the other one. Okay, need to open the door so we can access it from here somehow. And this is stuck a little bit here, the wheel, for some reason. Okay, almost came out, and now the one on this side as well. All we have left now is the wire for the emergency light, and you can see it from right here. So if you press down this thing, okay, need to get my finger there, you can actually pull it out, but it's a little bit limited room there. Okay, like that. And next thing that we have, the only thing that is holding is actually the that piece right here that's glued for the steering wheel. So if you need to remove that, it's gonna come out with the whole plastic right here. Okay, let me show you now how to do that quick. It's a little bit of a mess. So if you started with a prying tool guys, between the two right here, if you can get it in, okay, like that, it's gonna pop out. Okay, like that, and you will get the whole piece out of there. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, so after you remove all that stuff guys, all you need to do now, okay, you can see that button, you need to just push it from the back, okay, like that, and it pops out. I said that you can probably pry it without removing anything. You can see where the two springs are, and you need to get something, okay, between the plastic here, the cap, and the bezel, the trim. But you can see those are very fragile right here. Those are very small, fragile plastic clips that hold the top of the button. So I probably wouldn't risk it, because removing the vents is not very complicated. It will take you a couple minutes to do that. So you just push the new one in, and that will be the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.